Aloha YouTubers, Scuba Chris here. This time I'm going to be showing my Mustad assist hooks for jigging. Now jigging means this is for fresh or salt water. You can use singles or double hooks. And there's some advantages to tying your own assist rigs. Obviously, one is cost, it might be cheaper. Another reason is the style of hook. You might have your own favorite style of hook that you may want to use. You may want to do a single or double rig, which you may not be able to purchase because they may not have it at your local store. And also the choice of added colors. To me, that's very important because I prefer green over blue. I mean, green is my absolute favorite, but blue comes in second. Okay, another advantage to purchasing your pre-made rigs, such as these, it's faster. I can go to the store and stock up, and they're not that expensive. They may look expensive, but they're not. Okay, and I can use my favorite hook brands or hook types. Now, these are all my favorite types right here. I prefer Mustad, and I like what I see. So, and I've been doing very well with it. So I've been sticking with that.